Good morning, beta. How are you? Okay, I hope you all are fit, fine, and safe at your homes. Are you taking care of yourself? Are you looking after your parents? Okay, very good. So, beta, in today's session, we will be again continuing with the reading of the chapter. Okay, from where we have left. Okay, we will continue with the reading. So, you have to take out your books, course book volume 1, and open page number 32. Page 32, yes, we will start reading from here only. Okay, I hope you all are enjoying this chapter. Yes, and are you understanding the chapter? Okay, very good. So today we will complete reading with this chapter, and also we will do let's try one. We will also do let's try one exercise today. Okay, beta? So take out your books, open page number 32, and then let's start the reading. Okay? Shall we start reading now? Okay, so let's start reading now. Okay beta, so now we'll start reading from image 15, page number 32. Hercules understood that Atlas was trying to palm off his burden to him. So what is the meaning of palm off? Do you know the meaning of palm off? Meaning of palm off is beta pass off. That means passing off it to someone else. Like as Atlas wants to pass off his burden, he wants to give his burden to Atlas. Okay, so the meaning of palm off is pass off. Okay, okay, beta. He thought for a while and then found a solution to his problem. I have been had, must find a way out. I know what to do. The Atlas thinking. Now, Hercules replied, why didn't you say so earlier? Well, I would like to prepare myself for carrying this for 1,000 years. The Hercules replied to Atlas that he want to prepare himself before holding the earth for the 1,000 years. But Atlas had no intention of taking back the burden. He appeared to be willing to relieve Atlas for the next 1,000 years and asked Atlas to help him prepare himself. Atlas agreed to help Hercules and took the earth from him. Okay, he behaves like that he will help Atlas, and then he asks for help, and Atlas agreed to help him. Okay, now I must take some shoulder pads to be able to support the weight of the earth. Okay, he said that I must make shoulder pads to be able to support the weight of the earth. Can you hold the earth for a while? I'll quickly make the shoulder pads. Hercules said that he wants to prepare himself before holding it. Now, Atlas replied, of course, Hercules, I'll place these apples on the ground. I'll hold the earth while you make the pads. The Atlas said, of course, Hercules, I'll place these apples on the ground. I'll hold the earth while you make the pads. Okay, so he took the earth back. So now turn the page number 33 now. Okay. Hercules collected the golden apples and went on his way to Greece. And Atlas, what? Thank you, Atlas, for getting the apples. My king will be happy. Goodbye. So, because Hercules was very clever and he used his brain to give back the earth to Atlas. Okay, so his idea worked and he went back. The king was astounded to see Hercules back with the 3 golden apples. So the meaning of astound. Do you know the meaning of astound here, beta? What is the meaning of astound? Meaning of astound is very surprised or shocked. Okay, the meaning is very surprised or shocked. Like the king was very shocked because he was not expecting Hercules to come back. Okay, he was thinking that he will not come back, so he was astounded. He was surprised or shocked. Okay, beta. Began to plan another difficult errand for Hercules now, but that is another story. Your Majesty, I bought 3 golden apples as you had desired, Hercules said to King. And he's still thinking, the king, how has he managed to come back? Must find an even more difficult errand next time, the king thinking. So king again started planning for the new errand for Hercules, but that's the another story. So beta, this was the story of Hercules. Hercules was the hero from Greek ancient mythology, and this story was about him. Okay, so now beta, come to the spelling bee. Okay, spelling bee. Practice spelling these words. Okay, so you have to learn the spelling of these particular words. For example, ancient, mythology, majesty, occurred, journey, greetings, maidens, surrendered, angered, intention, astounded, desired. Okay, so let's come to I wonder now. So have you ever seen Greece? Do you know where is Greece, beta? Anyone? Anyone know where is Greece? Beta, Greece is the country in southeastern Europe. Greece is the country in the southeastern Europe, the southern part of Balkan Peninsula. Okay, or you should also Google about Greece, where it is located in the world map. Okay, and then we will discuss about it in the live session. Okay, beta. So, tell me, who are the famous mythological figures of India? The famous mythological figures of India. Can you give example of any? Like Hercules was ancient Greek hero. He was hero from ancient Greek mythology. So in the same way, you have to give an example figures of India. The famous mythological figures of India. Okay, so as I already discussed in the live session also, beta, mythological figures are those characters or figures or spiritual heroes which belongs to the spiritual stories, or those characters which belong to the traditional or spiritual stories of the history. Okay, beta. So mythology have the characters or figures which are traditional or spiritual. Understand? Like for example, Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna is one of the most favorite and most famous character of Hindu mythology, right? Also, we have been celebrating a very important festival also related to Krishna ji, that Shri Krishna Janmashtami. Okay, and one more example is Lord Rama. Lord Rama has supreme powers, and many of the times we have heard about the Lord Rama, Ramji, the epics like Ramayana and Ramcharitramanas. Yes, so he has supreme powers. So he is hero from or figure or character from Indian mythology. Okay? Better understand? So now turn the page number 34, and now we will do let's try one. Okay? So the let's try one is choose the letters from the box to fill in the missing letters in each word. Cross out the letter after using it. Each letter is used only once and one has been done for you. So, what we have to do in Let's Try One is we have to choose one letter from the given box. So, there are boxes given and there are letters in these boxes. So, we have to choose one letter from the box, and after filling it in the filling the blank, we have to cut it. Okay? For example, the first one given is B dash R D E dash. Okay. So we have to make this word now. B dash R D E dash. So the answer given is U and N. So it makes BURDEN. Burden. Right, beta? Then here it is crossed. We have crossed U and then N. So in the very same way we have to do others also. Okay. So let's do the second one. The second one is A dash D dash C dash TY. So now choose the words from the given boxes. Choose the words A dash D dash C dash TY. Right, make a word from this beta by using these letters. Right, so we will use U in the first blank. AUD. Another blank is right, I. AUD. Again A. Right? Yes. CITY. Audacity. 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 So now we have to cross the U letter, A letter and I letter in the box. Okay? Okay. So now third one. Dash NER dash IS dash. So can you guess this word? Can you fill in the blanks? Yes. So this word becomes re-energized. So we will take words from these boxes. Yes. First E. Then NERGI dash E. Re-energized. REENERGISE. Re-energize. So we will cut E, right? G and E. E, G and E we will cut from the box. The next word is DE dash ES dash and dash D. So make a word now. The word is going to be DETESTED. Detested. Very good. Yes, detested. So now you have to cut the letters in the box also. Okay, you have to cut T, T and E. Okay, beta. The next word is ER dash A dash D. ER dash A dash D. So please make a word now with the help of the letters given in the box. Right, errand. ERRAND. Very good. Now cut ERN. Right, ERNN. cut these letters in the box, beta. Okay, very good. So the next word is A dash H dash R. A dash H dash R. So now you have to fill these blank also. Choose the letters from the box. Right. So A B H O R, a boar. Right, very good. So B and O are the missing letters. So now cut these letters in the box also. Very good. The next word is P dash L dash O dash F. So now think about the missing letters P dash L dash O dash F. Yes, very good beta. PALMOFF. Palm off. Right, very good. So now you have to do this let's try one again in your course book. Okay, you have to do this in your course books. Okay beta? Okay beta, so today we are done with the reading of this chapter. Now today what you have to do is you have to reread this chapter again, the whole chapter, okay, and come up with any of the doubt in the doubt class. Okay, if you don't understand anything or have any doubt, it can be asked in the doubt session. Okay, but we also did the let's try one in this video, so you have to complete let's try one in your course books, okay, with the help of this video. Okay beta, so take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye, take care.